Good day, my name is Andre Dave A. Tripio, 25 years of age, butcher de boner from Suluk, Davao del Sur, Philippines, with a police experience up to present. Today, I will show you how to trim a chicken supreme. Now, I will use my owning steel to fine more my knife. First, hold the wing up and make a cut across the white tendon and pop it out. And repeat on the other side. Next, to remove the legs, make a cut high up on the leg and stretch away the skin. Then, pop the joint and cut around the oyster and remove the leg. Next, remove the breast. Make a cut along each side of the backbone until you see the wishbone. Cut along the side of the wishbone to remove the breast. Use the bones in trimmings to make stocks. Finally, trim the skin and the fat around the breast. And that's all. Thank you.